Hello, I'm Dawn Rathburn and this is Math 106. And the presentation that I'm giving today is showing an example of how you solve a problem by using proportions. So the problem that we have today, and this is something that I'm sure a lot of us are familiar with, is that on here it says you need to stay awake to write a paper tonight. Alright, so in order for me to stay awake to write this paper tonight, I know that I'm going to need some espresso. So the first thing is, you know that 2 espressos cost $3.66. That's not going to cut it. I think I probably need another espresso. So how much money would you need to buy 3 espressos? So to write this out as an equation, what you would do is you take 2, which is the 2 espressos that you have, over the cost, which is $3.66 or 3.66. You would say equals 3, because you want to buy 3 espressos, over X. And the reason why it's X is because you don't know yet how much 3 espressos is going to cost. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to invert the denominator and multiply both sides with that. So what that looks like is, say, 3.66x over 1. And you do the same on the right side of the equation, times 3.66x over 1. So now what happens is, left-hand side of the equation, these two numbers cancel out, which leaves you with x times 2 over 1, which is the same as 2x, equals, now on the right side of the equation, the x's cancel out. Okay, so 3 times 3.66 would equal 10.98. Now your next step is you need to reduce the equation further. So what you would do is you divide both sides by 2. So on the left side these cancel out, which leaves x. And on the right hand side of the equation, x equals 5.49. So the answer is 3 espressos cost $5.49. Okay. So the next problem we have is we need to choose a fraction and find an equivalent fraction. So the fraction I've chosen today is 4 over 5. Okay, and the equivalent fraction is 20 over 25. Okay, so a way to solve this by using proportions, I'm going to do this a little bit differently than the problem above. So I'm going to multiply 20 times 5 and 4 times 25. So we're cross multiplying. So then what you would end up with is 100 equals 100. So 20 times 5 is 100. 4 times 25 is 100. Therefore, you could say that 4/5 is equal to 20/25. And that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you.